Get ready to rev up your engines and embark on an exhilarating journey through the world of car assembly. Today, we're going to uncover the magic and meticulous process that transforms raw materials into the sleek, powerful machines we drive every day. First things first, it all starts with a sheet of metal. This isn't just any metal, it's specially chosen for its strength and durability. This metal is pressed and cut into the car's body shape using high-precision machines. Imagine the force and accuracy required to mold these sheets into the intricate shapes of a car's body. Next, huge robotic arms take over, molding and welding the pieces together. These robots work with incredible precision, ensuring every weld is perfect. It's like watching a giant 3D puzzle being solved, with each piece fitting perfectly into place. The coordination and technology involved are truly mind-blowing. Next up, the painting line. This is where the car gets its personality. The body gets a thorough bath, a primer coat, and then it's sprayed with that sleek, glossy paint. The paint job isn't just for looks, it also protects the car from the elements. Robots handle this part with precision, ensuring every inch is flawless. These machines are programmed to apply the paint evenly, giving the car that perfect finish. Now, let's talk engines. The heart of your car is carefully assembled piece by piece. This is where the magic of engineering truly shines. Pistons, camshafts, and all those complex parts come together in a mechanical symphony. Each component is meticulously crafted and assembled to ensure optimal performance. Once the engines are ready, they're installed into the painted body. This is a critical step as the engine must be perfectly aligned and securely fitted. This is where the car starts to look like, well, a car. The interior comes next, transforming the shell into a comfortable and functional space. Seats, dashboards, and all the tech goodies are fitted in. This process is like furnishing a mini apartment on wheels, with every detail carefully considered. It's like furnishing a mini apartment on wheels. Every button, every stitch, and every piece of technology is installed with precision. Wheels and tires are added, and the car is almost ready to roll. But before it can hit the road, it must pass a series of quality checks. Every car goes through rigorous testing to ensure it meets high standards. These tests cover everything from safety to performance, ensuring that each vehicle is road-ready. Think of it as a final exam before hitting the road. The car must pass these tests to ensure it's safe, reliable, and ready for you to drive. And there you have it. From a simple sheet of metal to a fully assembled car, built with precision and passion. From metal to a fully assembled car, built with precision and passion. Each step in the process is a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. Now you know the magic behind how your ride is born. It's a journey of transformation, from raw materials to a marvel of modern engineering. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite machines. There's always more to discover in the world of manufacturing.